This is 15-minute time frame of gold, and this is intraday bullish trend of last week. On Friday after NFP, it made more than 50% retracement near 1851, and bottom of this trend at 1829, which is near 1830 level. And in past 1830 was a strong resistance zone. Now it has become support. So this trend has made 50% retracement. To get next movement of price, either it break 1874 or this bottom 1828. We will go to H1 time frame, and you can see this complete trend started from 1786, made top here. Then this last leg was started after 50% retracement. So this is the bottom of our trend, and this is the bottom of retracement. These two are our horizontal support, and this dotted trend line is a dynamic support which has been tested 3 times. This is still a sideways correction and making a range between 1870 and 1830. If we go to H4 time frame, then you have this complete trend from 2070 top to 1786 bottom. This was the first leg, and it has made a 50% retracement 28. This can be A, B, C flat correction that will be confirmed when price will make a new higher high. But 1786 is our bottom, and our first key support is 1828. So if price goes below that level, then you can say it will retest this bottom, or if this level holds for this June month, then after this flat correction or sideways correction, it will make a new high, and our first target will be 1892, 50% retracement of this last wave, which is our nearest target. If we take a closer look on this H4 time frame, then you can see if this is a flat correction AVC, then next leg can retest 50% retracement or 61% retracement at 1818. So this area is our support zone, and if price make a hammer on this support zone on H4 time frame, then next target will be 1900, and we have this dynamic trend line. So either it can make support and continue its bullish trend on 50-minute time frame from 50% retracement, or it can make a flat correction double bottom at 50% retracement 1828 level, then start its next bullish trend. But you will have to be prepared for this support zone. If we only consider support and resistance on this H4 time frame, then you can see price has clearly break out and retest this 1830 support area, and it has made a new high, and next target will be this yellow resistance area near 1970, because this is the next strong resistance. All of these bulls have this target, and this is the place where seller will try to resell gold, because new sale entry will not come until it breaks the support area clearly. And it has made this series of higher high higher low, which confirm a bullish trend from this bottom at 1786. Basically, I have explained you four key time frame for intraday trader: 15 minute, 13 minute, 1 hour and 4 hour. So on 4 hour you have 1828 support area, a flat correction chart pattern, and on 15-minute time frame you have already 50% retracement. If price make a new high, then first minimum target will be 100% projection and 1911, this yellow area. The real target is 1950, but minimum target is 1911. If we go to daily time frame, then you can see price break out this yellow trend line, then this fake breakout, and now retesting this yellow trend line. But before that, we have these two horizontal resistance zone on daily time frame. Right now it is making resistance on this first resistance zone, and if this break, then next target will be this upper resistance zone near 1917. And if this break, then it will confirm that gold bullish trend has been started, and which will be confirmed by next CPI and FOMC meeting. And if you go on weekly time frame, then you can see this strong trend line. Price is again testing outside this yellow trend line, and two weekly candle has retested this resistance area. And next is this upper resistance area on weekly time frame. To get a clear answer where gold price will go, it will break this low and retest 1677 horizontal support area, or it will break these two resistance level and it will make a new all-time high. These two questions depend on CPI data, which will come on Friday, June 10. In last time CPI came down and everyone believe that inflation is making top and reversal has been started. And if this happen again and CPI number keep coming down till September FOMC meeting, then market speculation right now depend on these CPI numbers. The decreasing CPI will give the reason for Fed to pause rate hike cycle, and which will be good for stocks, gold and economy. And if this not happen, if CPI jumps again, then this will change entire financial market instantly. And if you consider Fed FOMC meeting, then June July meeting 15 basis point rate hike is coming, but everything depend on September FOMC meeting what will happen, and that decision depends on CPI number. If before that date CPI number does not increase in surprising way, or these number keep decreasing, then Fed will not raise interest rate in this FOMC meeting, and this temporary bottom in Nasdaq will start a bullish trend, and second half of the year this will be good for stock market, for gold and many assets. If something happen in these 3 months and inflation jumps before September FOMC meeting, then it can change everything, and all of this stocks will be dumped instantly, and you will see a complete different financial market. So most important thing is this CPI numbers and what happened in September FOMC meeting, which again depends on CPI numbers. So pay attention on this trend. If Fed does not stops this QT in September FOMC meeting, then this recession can be much dangerous than last time in 2008. And if investor dumps their holding in stocks market and new low below this temporary bottom, will confirm market crash, and it will not stop until end of the year. So next direction of gold depends on the CPI numbers this month and next 2 months.